Hi, this is Frank Berry at the 2550 100 SolutionFest at QLogic. I'm here with William Cho, VP of Products and Alliances for Cumulus Networks. William, so tell me what you hope to accomplish here at the SolutionFest.
Well, so it's an interesting question because, with open networking coming about of kind of the recent last 2 or 3 years, the 2550 100, Alliance or Solution Lab actually provides a great platform for community. You have a great technology that's coming about with 25 gig and 100 gig networking protocols and new network switches. And so as you create this platform, you have the opportunity to create community, basically proliferate, ideas, technology, and the other key part of this is that it demonstrates, what can be done with open infrastructure, open environments, and so you have, a great combination of multi-vendors, servers, networks, third-party operating systems like Cumulus Networks, and so you have this ability to now mix and match, all these key building blocks in an environment that allows for, a great opportunity for people to learn and build from one another.
So you talk about open networking. So tell me where 25, 50, and 100 gig technology fits in open networking.
Yep. So it's interesting. Open networking, actually has been around for 5-7 years by the, by the likes of Google, Amazon, and Facebook. And as many know, as you build out cloud environments with virtualization or even containerization, there's more and more pressure on network bandwidth. And so 25 gig and 100 gig is really the latest inflection of silicon technology that now is able to get, literally 3 terabits of bandwidth in a single 1RU box. And so, what makes it quite interesting is now you have people that are building out open networks with full bisectional bandwidth environments, being able to take advantage of kind of the latest Broadwell cores from Intel. And now you have the ability to have distributed storage environments with non-blocking fabrics. You have the ability to take, big data environments with all these high-powered CPUs. And so it's a great time to be able to take advantage of open networking because there's also this similar inflection that's going on with the network environment.
So let's be a little bit more specific. So Cumulus technology and products are very new and very innovative, and perhaps the IT community, not all of the enterprise IT community, may really understand what your products are and how they overlap with other products in the ecosystem. So help us understand that.
Yeah. I mean, the simplest way to think about Cumulus Networks is that we're really the Red Hat for networking. So we provide a Linux distribution. It is in fact a Debian Linux distribution, and we run on third-party bare metal switches. So we support 8 different manufacturers of bare metal switches, everyone from HP, Dell, Supermicro, and most recently Mellanox. And effectively, it's very similar to the idea of the server industry. So today you have any number of choices to buy bare metal servers, and then you have a choice of software to run on it. It could be Red Hat Linux, it could be Microsoft Windows Server for that matter. And so you have this flexibility of a disaggregated model, so you can pick and choose the hardware vendor that you like, and effectively it's all been fairly commoditized because it's all a Broadcom ASIC inside or a Mellanox ASIC inside these now. And then now you have the ability to run Linux as your software distribution. And so what that implies is that you effectively can use all the software tools that you have in your server environment, have converged automation, converged monitoring, and really kind of leverage standard tools, the standard process, standard operations environment. And then what that really helps us do is allow us to take advantage of a large ecosystem, a very open ecosystem. So you have hardware vendors as you have choice there. You have choice of monitoring tools such as Collecti or Ganglia. You have choice around automation tools such as Ansible, Puppet, or Chef. And so it's a very large open ecosystem, one that has actually been established for some time in the server community, but now we're bringing the networking into that same fold.
So for enterprise IT organizations that are used to buying from traditional OEMs, can they get products with Cumulus software.
Absolutely. So that's kind of one of the key things that we tried to solve earlier on. So as much as this is a new concept around software from a software company, hardware from a hardware company, we wanted to make sure the operation, the procurement model, the support model is very much like what you're accustomed to today. So effectively, Dell, you can buy Cumulus Linux from Dell. You can buy the Dell Open Networking switch. In fact, they will actually provide frontline support. You can buy all your server storage networking services from Dell and be able to operate just like you do today if you want that, or you can buy kind of a la carte. And so effectively all the kind of the procurement, the support models, the operational model of how you would actually deploy and procure networks is the same.
Thanks, William.
Thank you.